Hey friends, it's Beacon. Welcome back to this channel. If you ever thought about becoming a photographer, or maybe just starting out, I want to share 6 things I wish someone told me before I got started. These are the lessons I picked up over the years, things I wish someone had told me early on. So today, I'm breaking down the 6 things you must know before becoming a photographer. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Know why you want to be a photographer. First things first, ask yourself, why do you want to be a photographer? Is it because you love capturing memories? Do you want to do it as a career? Or maybe you just want an amazing Instagram shot? For me, I got into photography because I loved helping others with their personal brand. When I upgrade someone's headshot, I'm not just taking a photo. I know how much confidence and opportunities that photo can give someone. But I'll be honest, I didn't really stop to think about what kind of photographer I wanted to be. Was I going to focus on weddings, portraits, headshots, events, landscape? At the beginning, I was not sure, and that's where I see a lot of beginners trip up. If you don't know your why, you're going to end up chasing every shiny object, buying gear you don't need, trying styles you're not passionate about, and getting frustrated. So slow down and ask, what is my why? Do I want this as a hobby or a business? Those questions alone will save you a ton of time and money. Tip number 2, start with a starter equipment. Okay, confession time. When I first started, the Canon 5D Mark IV had just came out. And what did I do? I went straight for it. Yup, brand new, top of the line. Did I know how to use it at the time? No. Did I know all its features? Definitely not. I was buying a Ferrari before I had my learner's permit. I was lucky though, I ended up loving the Canon system, but I could have started much simpler. Here's my advice. You don't need the most expensive gear when you're starting out. Get a solid entry-level camera, learn the basics and grow from there. Remember, cameras don't take photos, you do. The camera is just a tool. Tip number 3, understand your budget. Photography can get expensive real quick. It's not just the camera body, it's the lenses, memory cards, lighting, tripods, editing softwares. The list goes on. When I bought my 5D Mark IV, I didn't think about the fact that buying into one camera means you're kinda locked into the brand, and whatever the brand offers. You can't easily switch later without selling everything and starting fresh. So before you spend big money, think about what you can actually afford and what makes sense for you right now. It's way better to grow slowly as you progress than to have equipment you might not need. Tip number 4, think beyond just the camera. When people buy their first camera, they only focus on the body, but there's more to consider. Do you want a DSLR or a mirrorless camera? How heavy is it if you're carrying it all day? Does it have features you use, like a flip-out LCD screen? And of course, what lens and accessories are available for it? I didn't know to ask these questions at first, but luckily, my Canon worked out perfectly for me. Still, if I could give an advice, I'd say research the system, not just the body. Tip number 5. Focus on learning, not the gear. This one is huge. It's easy to think a better camera will make you a better photographer. But the truth is, what makes a great photo is light, composition, and storytelling. A beginner with a basic camera who knows those fundamentals will take a better photo than someone with the fancy gear who doesn't understand them. So invest your time in learning, practicing, and building your skill set. That will set you apart. Tip number 6, learn from mistakes and enjoy the process. I'll be real with you. I made some mistakes, I overspent on gear, I ignored features that would have made my life easier, and I didn't always know my why. But those mistakes taught me some of the best lessons I learned and made me the photographer I am today. Always keep in mind, photography is supposed to be fun. It's about capturing memories, creating art, sharing stories. So don't get caught up in the gear or where other photographers are in their journey. Start small, stay curious, keep shooting, and enjoy the process. So to wrap it up, know why you want to be a photographer. Start simple with your equipment. Be smart with your budget. Think about the whole camera system, not just the body. Focus on learning photography, not collecting gear, and enjoy the process. If you remember these, you save yourself money, time, and you'll enjoy photography. Thanks for hanging out with me. If this video helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who just started their photography. And let me know in the comments, what's one lesson you learned as a beginner photographer? I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, keep shooting, keep learning, and most of all, keep having fun.